Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting review for you. If you are looking for beautiful, timeless jewelry at an affordable price that is ethically sourced, then I have the brand for you. And as we're getting into the holiday season, might I mention, these pieces and the pieces that they have on their site would be beautiful gifts that I think anyone would enjoy. So today I'm gonna be reviewing Linjer Jewelry, and they so graciously sent me 3 pieces. So this is a first impression unboxing and review of this brand. I've never had anything from them. Also, something that's really exciting is I have a discount code for you. So if you like any of these pieces or want to check out all the collections that they have, I will have everything in the description box as well as the discount code, which is Lauralee. So let's get into reviewing and unboxing. Let's start with box number 1. I love the little bows. Oops. Comes with this beautiful navy pouch. And oh, the first piece is these earrings. I'm very excited about these. These are the chunky gold hoop earrings Jorunn, and they're so pretty. I love a good gold hoop. So let's just try this on. Oh, those are so beautiful. And a little bit about these. Chunky gold hoop earrings with an on-trend vintage silhouette, perfect for dinner dates or effortless on-the-go style. They're recycled gold and silver, and they're gold vermeil. I don't know how to say that. This piece is true gold vermeil. It has recycled 925 silver at its core and is plated with a thick layer of gold measuring at 2.5 to 3 microns. It has a 14 karat hue. That's the right tone of gold. I love these. I am definitely going to be wearing these a lot as like an everyday earring. They're in that perfect size where they're not too big, but they're not too small. Oh, I love them. They're beautiful. Again, great gift. Like even the fact that you can see them through my hair, I'm so happy with. Okay, next, this is like a little Christmas for me. And honestly, I will definitely be wearing these during the Christmas season. I see this going with so many outfits and just like every day. Okay. Next piece. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, we have the gold ring. This is the Arielle dome ring. And again, everything is made from recycled gold. Oh, it's beautiful. And I bought it to wear on this finger. I have my Aura ring, and then I wanted something on this hand as well. I'll just take this off though so we can see it. It's beautiful. It's perfect. And it feels so heavy, like not in a unnatural way, but it feels so like weighty and quality. And I'm not just saying this, like this feels like to me very comparable to, you know, like a higher end jewelry line, but you have this like great price and it's so trendy, which I love. Okay, last one. Last little baggie. These beautiful, dainty earrings. And what I thought this would look so pretty with is my second hole. I only have 2 holes on here. I like the asymmetrical look. Let me try to give you a close-up. These are so beautiful and dainty. Can you see that? There we go. Oh, love it so much. And that one is the Ella chain earring with gold vermeil, and the diamond is cubic zirconia, but it is stunning. And obviously there's a second one in here, but this is what I was like, how I was really excited to wear it. So let me give you a little bit more information about the brand. Linjer makes affordable priced jewelry that uses long lasting materials. They create products that is the same quality as luxury brands, but sell them directly to the customer online, which allows their costs to be as low as almost 50% of the price of traditional luxury items. They also do their best to incorporate sustainable practices in how they do business. And we see that in the jewelry being made with recycled materials, ethically sourced gemstones, and conflict-free lab-grown diamonds. And they just really have timeless designs, which allows you to invest in these pieces without the giant cost. And again, this is such a great gift, and I think going into the holiday season, these are beautiful pieces that people will love and appreciate. So thank you so much, Linjer, for sending me these items. They're definitely gonna be a new staple in my jewelry collection, and you're gonna see these a lot throughout the next month when Vlogmas comes. And again, I will have the discount code Lauralee linked down below, as well as a link to use to shop if you are interested in purchasing anything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you again for another video. Bye.